Hey YouTubers, I ran across this link the other day when I was looking around on Docker Hub, and wow, WordPress in 90 seconds with Docker. Okay, I'm game, I'll go for it. So I just started to look around a little bit at this. I followed the link, and I got over to this article here on Mercury News, I guess that's how you pronounce it. So in any case, I looked over the compose file and I scrolled down to the bottom, and there was this, what appeared to me like a little video. So I said, what the heck, I'm going to give it a try. So I started to watch, and you know, I saw, well, okay, here's one command, and there's CD, and then there's well, anyway, so I'm watching the video, and here's the commands right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So do I believe this? Well, you know, the proof's in the pudding. We'll give it a try. So I went on to DigitalOcean. Let me minimize that. And said, okay, I'll create a droplet so it doesn't take too long here. And normally I just take the defaults. This one here, since I know I'm going to run it on Docker, I just go ahead and go to this one here, Docker running on Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. I choose that, scroll down a little further. Since I'm only going to be running it for about an hour, it really doesn't matter, but go ahead and just choose this $10 a month thing. And New York 3 is good enough. You can see where you can put them basically anywhere around the world. And so I just include my development SSH key, and I'll leave the name the same. I wouldn't even touch it and just say create. So normally it takes about, I don't know, 30 seconds or something like that to create a droplet. So we're gonna, I'll tell you, I'll speed up this video a little bit so that we don't waste any time on watching the little bar go across, and then come back to it when it's done. So there we are. All you have to do is copy that IP address, and I'm going to go ahead and start up PuTTY here and paste it in there. Under data, I go ahead and put root, and then SSH auth. I'm going to browse for that development key, which is right there. Say open, and then open, and say yes. Okay, there we are right there. And actually, I'm going to make a little change so you can see this better. Change settings, appearance. I'm going to change that font, make it a little larger, a different color. 14, console, say okay. Colors, foreground, modify. Okay, apply. Hey, that's a little bit better. So what does it say here? It says that, you know, brand new image. To delete this message, you just do that. Any case, so what we'll do is apt update and apt upgrade. Oops. Upgrade Y. There we go, and we'll let that, and I'm going to go ahead and speed this up again so you're going to have to just sit here and watch this whole thing. Okay, so that completes. I'm going to go ahead and reboot, and that won't take too long at all. Most of the time it takes about 20 seconds, if that. Go ahead here and restart the session. Yeah, it already rebooted. I don't even think that was 20 seconds. In any case, I do want to remove this, this little message of the day thing. So I'll go ahead and execute that. Okay, and then I'm going to exit. Actually, I don't even need to do that. I'll just clear the screen. Okay, so we'll do a netstat. And you see we basically have nothing, PSAX, nothing but the Dockers. So, okay, so in any case, one of the things that I like to do is here in DigitalOcean under networking, I went on to Namecheap, and I got I paid $6.88 for a domain, and then I just pointed my that on the name servers, I pointed them here to DigitalOcean's. So I have you know, really quickly I can throw together a name, an A record for this. So I'll call this one WP90 or WPN90. Yeah, that looks good. And then right over here, I just pointed at that droplet I made. I create the record. Okay, so that's fine. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'll go back to my droplet, and I'm going to issue these 4 commands right here. Okay. I'm going to CD into that. I'll pull the images with docker-compose-pull. And again, I'm going to speed this up again so you don't have to watch all this, but it really doesn't take that long. In fact, maybe I won't speed it up because it's going so fast. So while that's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and copy this next one here. Yeah, I guess I will speed it up. Okay. So now we're going to do a Docker compose up, and D is for, you know, demonize in the background there. So go ahead and do that. And that's it. It's done. And let's see what we got here. Okay, there we go. All right, so we got 3 images cooking and a database, the actual WordPress. This is the database. This is the WordPress actual website. And this is Nginx right here. So now let's go ahead and go over to bring up a new browser window. And what did I call that? WP in90.cs59.co. And there it is. Wow. You know, my hat's off to the person, which is a gentleman over in France. In fact, if I'll tell you what, I'll show you this here. Is you can go see the full article right there. And let me just make it a little larger so you can see it here. And I'll go ahead and put it down in the notes also. Read the full article there. You can find them on Docker Hub. But, you know, this is, I think this is great. And you can just read everything about it. So thanks for watching.